guys, what's up? Back at it again. It's time for Beat the Teach. Paul, if I know one thing about Paul, he's great at drilling. So we're going to see if any of the students can be in the drill. So I'm going to stop watching Paul.
Okay.
How many screws? Three?
Three.
Three?
Three.
You guys think you can beat Paul? Okay. So Paul, hang on. I don't want to open that up.
Ready, eh?
Not 10. Okay. Get set. Get set. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, efficient. So efficient.
Not the fastest drill, though.
Oh, we're looking at 10:24. Time to feed. Hold on, whenever you're ready. 3 screws. 3, 2, 1. We'll be eager. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. You get the last one in? Okay, we're 17. Valiant effort. Valiant effort. Okay. Who's up next? Who's trying to be? Oh, he said I'll do it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, Lord, the pressure, the intimidation. Oh, God. Woo! Woo! Ah, 12:54. Close. Close. But you know what? It was close. I like that effort. I like the way you push. Here you go. That was really close. Good job, my man. What's your name? Daniel. We got Daniel here. Let's go, Daniel. I believe in you. So whenever you're ready. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh. Ooh. Oh, he's a 6. Woo! 7. Damn, Daniel. Now I don't know if it was a drill, but it's okay. Here you go. Enjoy yourself a hat. Okay.
How you feel?
Right on. Okay, that was Big Teach. We'll catch you next time. Whoa.